Solutions for the top questions about Revo Scan. Connection issues. Software usage problems. Scanning issues. What to do when the POP2 can't connect to Revo Scan. If you use a laptop via a USB cord to connect to POP2, 1. Confirm the latest software from the official website is installed. 2. Verify the operating system meets Revo Scan's requirements. 3. Make sure that the USB ports meet the USB 3.0 specification. 4. Check Windows firewall settings and camera permissions. If you use a laptop via Wi-Fi to connect to POP2, 1. Confirm the latest software from the official website is installed. 2. Verify the operating system meets Revo Scan's requirements. 3. Ensure that you power the POP2 with a power bank or other power supply. 4. Confirm the laptop's password matches the POP2's password. If you use a desktop computer, 1. It's recommended to connect via Wi-Fi mode. 2. If you want to use the USB mode, please consider a powered USB 3.0 hub. If you use an Android or iPhone with Wi-Fi mode, 1. Confirm the latest software from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store has been installed. 2. Make sure your operating system and RAM meet Revo Scan's requirements. 3. Ensure that you power the POP2 with a power bank or other power supply. 4. Confirm the password is correct. 5. Select Wi-Fi mode in the Revo Scan settings page. If you use an Android phone with USB mode, 1. Use the 2-in-1 mobile cable and the power bank. 2. Ensure that the phone and power bank are completely charged. 3. Select USB mode in the Revo Scan settings page. 4. Verify the Revo Scan's app permissions for camera and storage are approved. If you successfully connected the POP2 to Revo Scan with your laptop, but 1. No image in one or more windows, reboot both the POP2 and Revo Scan. 2. Status cycles between connected and disconnected. Confirm your laptop's USB ports meet the USB 3.0 standard. Verify the camera's permission approval in security. If you successfully connected the POP2 to Revo Scan with your phone, but 1. Revo Scan crashes frequently, turn off other running apps. 2. Out-of-memory notification, fuse the model, then continue scanning. If you can't get a good scan, try these solutions. 1. Before scanning, read the user manual/advanced scanning tips on the website, or watch the videos on our YouTube channel. 2. Practice with the sample sculpture first. 3. Confirm the correct mode has been selected. For example, when scanning objects like cups or boxes with few geometric features, place markers first and use marker mode. If your problem is not solved, please get in touch with our customer service team. Thank you for your watching.